Yo, what's going on, everyone? We're back. In this video we've got if you can't already tell, brand new deadbolt stock, fresh out the box. Now we're not going to do an unboxing, but we are going to get it on a trail and do a review, so stay tuned. Had to get this. Obviously we got C10, Jeep and Betty, but we needed to get a deadbolt too. So stay put, guys. We're going to get this beast on the course and see what she's made of. Hope you enjoy. So guys, we're all powered up. Deadbolt's on the course. What? Loving the green. I think that looks so cool. I do like the red, but I prefer the green. Now, some of the obstacles on the course I know are going to be a struggle, so we're going to skip some and try and get through as many as possible as quickly as we can, and hopefully keep this clean. But the deadbolt loves to get dirty, so you never know. I'm predicting probably a couple of rollovers here and there, but we'll see. So far so good. Can we make it down and onto the wooden ramp? Getting hung up on tires hitting that rock right there. Gonna need to try and back it out. Yeah. Right on the edge of grip, the deadbolt there. Gonna have to try and line this up well. But we made it. Come off the edge. Messing up the grass. Can we recover? Oh, rolled it. First one. Get back on there. First little climb. Got these tricky little steps. Oh, no problem. Oh, getting close to the edge. Speaking too soon a lot these days. Yeah. Can we descend the step? Oh. Bad driving again. Let's try it again. Yeah. This thing loves to roll over. But I said it, guys. I said there was going to be a few. I actually rolled the last rig in the last video at this point. Probably rolled them all on this corner, being careless. Deadbolt getting a bit of a pickle there. Recover, we can recover. Oh, didn't like the side hill. Let's see if we can get out of there. Oh, definitely a little bit top heavy. She needs a bit to get wide, I think. Need to get wide. Can we make it to the other side? Can we make it to the top? Got a feeling gonna have trouble making this turn to get up. Ooh. Okay. We'll skip that part. Will we make it? Up this ramp? Oh, gonna be tricky. It's gonna be tricky. Losing that extra stick you have with the new tyres. Definitely getting some dust on them now. When you line up properly, it's alright. I don't know whether I prefer the shorter links at the front or the longer links at the front. I don't know what's best for what. Oh! First crash and burn, crash and burn. Right. Repositioned after that last crash. Let's try this again. I feel like it's definitely, this corner's harder coming up than it is going down. Definitely tricky for the stock rig. Stock servo's a bit of an issue here. Come on, Deadbolt. You can do it. Oh, so close on that edge. If we can just straighten up, I think we might make it. So guys, we made it to the upper level. Gonna avoid the hill climbs because it's gonna be tricky, and that's gonna take a while, especially without the mods, if we can even make it. As you can see, this bit's tricky enough as it is. It's definitely a little bit more tricky getting around the course. And with that log hill climb, the new section, without it being able to do that, it doesn't give me much confidence with the others. Here we're going to loop around the bottom, and that'll be it for this one. But yeah, I'm not overly impressed with the deadbolt stock out of the box. I feel like it is a little bit less capable, but that is just my opinion on this course. But she will be getting some mods eventually. Right on the edge. Can we save it? Just. Getting held up by the wooden post there, and we over. So yeah, definitely needs a little bit of TLC, something we will be taking care of at some point. Gonna try and leave it stock for now, for as long as we can. Gonna try and get some footage of the outdoor course, which is still a work in progress, but yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace out.